drivers behind the line. In 3, 2, 1, go!
We'll get things rolling here for qualification match number 16 on the daily division. We've got two rookie teams representing two non-US nations here on the Red Alliance. Should be great to see their contributions here and their first foray at the first championship. Well, not the first match, but first year at the first championship for them. Welcome aboard. Score showing 30-26, slightly favoring blue coming out of the autonomous period. Drivers now take the controls, and look at just how far out that arm reaches on 23-33. That's Team Screech out of Oklahoma. They're scooping up, well, they were working on scooping up rather, a cone out of that loading zone. Human player is like dodging the arm as it reaches towards that Lexan panel. They are able to get the cone into that robot's grasp, and they'll pretty heavily collide with the Evil Empire out of Essexville, Michigan, right outside the Blue Alliance loading zone. Evil makes their way out and free. They'll drop a cube on the top row there in that node, right node, for 5 points of Alliance score. Our Red Alliance team there out of Suriname, that's 91-35. They just threw a cube in through the loading station wall, and they'll now jab that cube into the wall. It doesn't pop, thankfully. They just push it along towards this right node of their Alliance grid. Taking them a minute, but they'll figure it out here soon. Their Alliance trails by 20 points right now. Just 50 seconds left to play here in this qualification match. Blue Alliance machine stuck up there on a cone. It wobbles around a few times, nearly flips, and now it looks like they're actually stuck on that cone. They'll need a bump from one of their Alliance partners to break free. Or maybe one of these Red Alliance bots will run into them. We'll see. Here's Toluca, Mexico's team trying to make their way into the loading zone. They've got a grabber on the end of that thing specifically designed for cones. Still working on it, still working on it. They're able to scoop that cone up, and now they'll race their way across the field with just 15 seconds left to play. Blue Alliance showing a score of 99 so far with 4 links on the board. They are 1 link shy of that sustainability bonus rank point. I don't see anywhere obvious where they'd be able to pick that up here on short notice, but we'll see what their drivers have in store. Doesn't look like they were able to pick that one up the last few seconds of the match. But a double-double here as both with your final score 124 blue to 78 red, and that'll be 3 rank points for each of those blue teams, 1 rank point for each of the red. Our leaderboard does another total randomization, not randomization, but a total shuffle. And we'll be right back with match 17 here on Daily.